Well, as you can hear, birds are back. I'm in a safe spot they found to ride out this. Don't know if I can get them. They're on the top of this tree here. And a whole bunches of them. Well, as you can see, it's past. I need to stop by the store. It's just down the street from me. Around the corner of that building, up over Little Rise, Beck's Liquor Store. Nice to have a liquor store within 10-minute walk there and back. Maybe I'll pick me up some of that there Jerry juice. Have a little bit of that tonight. But for now, let's see you later. Bye.